Hey there technicians, got a minute? Let's dive into HVAC pressures. First up, let's talk about high side pressure. This is the pressure on the discharge side of your compressor. It's crucial for determining the performance of your system's condenser and overall refrigerant flow. Too high. You might have a dirty condenser coil or an overcharged system. Too low. Could indicate a refrigerant leak or undercharged system. Now onto low side pressure. This measures the suction side pressure of your compressor. It's key for diagnosing issues in the evaporator and the refrigerant's ability to absorb heat. High, low side pressure could be an overcharged system or a problem with the metering device. Low side pressure, think along the lines of a restricted metering device or low refrigerant charge. Remember, these pressures are your diagnostic best friends. They tell a story about what's happening inside the system. So, always connect your gauges and read these pressures to keep systems running smoothly. And that's a quick overview of HVAC pressures. Stay safe out there and keep those systems in top shape. See you next time.